In this video, we will see about overriding concept. Okay, so in this overriding, I can say method signature should be same. In the sense, method signature means what? Method name and its parameter should be same in parent class as well as child class. Both are same. Then we can say that okay, that's nothing but method overriding. Okay, so whatever the method present has by default, I can say inside the parent, whatever the method is available inside the parent by default available to the child, right, through the inheritance, I can say. Okay, if child is not satisfied with that parent class implementation or parent class method implementation, the child class can implement by its own, I can say, according to on his way. Okay, so let's there is some rule also for over riding, I can say. Okay, so we will discuss about slowly all those rules for that. Okay, one more thing, in overriding it is taken care by JVM on the basis of runtime type of object. Okay, so whatever, see the same thing it is written here, and this is as an example I can say. Okay, we will see this example. Okay, and a static method we can't override obviously. If we are defining method as a static, that's nothing but method hiding. It's look like overriding, but it is not like that. It is method hiding, I can say. Okay, now, okay, so method overriding and overhiding means basically in overriding the method should be non-static, and in method hiding method should be a static only. In overriding obviously we have said about it is taken care by JVM and based on top of runtime type of object, I can say, and method hiding is taken care by compiler on the basis of reference type. Okay, so it is similar to the method overloading, I can say. Okay, let's take one example in this. So let's come to this. Inside this, we have one parent class, child class. It is extending parent class, one interview method, one another method, company select. Okay, that's fine. So like company select, I like as I use I as like if I am not uh, like if I'm not convinced with this organization, I wanted to join only product based company, then I will try to join these types of company if I wanted to join. So I will implement accordingly according to my condition, I can say. So this is nothing but this is method overriding, it is happening, right? So child class has overridden this method. Okay, so let's try to call this. So we will create a class for this. So parent, I can say like that, parent class. If I'm taking like this parent class PC equal to new parent, I can say that parent class I'm creating object for this. And see what is the reference type of this. um, like it is holding with the help of PC, and we are creating a parent class object. That's fine, no issue. So it will create the object here for parent class. Now it will look for PC dot c. There is one company select method is there, and if I wanted to store interview, so this one also so, right, because it is looking for parent class methods, right? So I wanted to write like company select. So this will print, it will go and check parent class is having company select method or not. Yes, it is having. So that's fine, it will print like this. Again I am trying to create child class object. Okay, child class object, I can say equal to, I can say new child class, I can say like this. Okay, and then I can say like this, and cc dot, if I'll try to company select, there is only one method available, so it will print uh, Morgan Stanley DVS whatever it is. Now I am trying to hold uh, child class object with the reference parent class. Okay, is it possible? Yes, we have already discussed about it. Parent class. Okay, PC1 I am taking here. Okay, new, then let me take this child class. Let me take this. Okay, yes, we can do this. So in for this one we need to take care. Okay, so with one another child class has been created, and the reference variable is for PC1, I can say. That's fine. So in this PC1 we will try to get some methods. PC1 dot, see company select, right? So if I will take like this, and if I'll try to take interview. So it will print only interview. See, let me take the interview method here I am taking, and inside PC1 I am taking PC1 dot company select company select I am taking. Inside the interview I'll write like this something. I'll let me write something here inside this. SYSOUT is out. I'm trying to print like interview. I can say like this. Okay, like this. I'm trying to print. Okay. So in this case, it will print interview, right? It will print for the whatever it was available in TCS, Wipro, whatever it is. It will print. Okay. In this case, it will print Morgan Stanley. These things. It will print interview, and this will print what? So see, it will go and check like company select is available in parent class or not. Yes, it is available. That's fine. No error, no compile time error. Again, it will check. Okay, it is holding child class object. Okay, that's fine. So inside child class, like company select method is available or not. Yes, it is available. So it will check. Okay, so the like programmer is trying to override this method. So if it is overriding in this case, it will be taken care by JVM on the basis of runtime type of object. So in this case, it will print this method, right? It will print this method. So inside this, see, it will print this one, but this will print interview, right? This will print interview. So this is the difference actually. So let's try to run this program. Okay, let's see this. Come on. See, first it is printing this one company select the method is inside parent class. It is printing this one. See here, it is available inside this, and it is printing inside this, right? And then after I can say what is inter, we have why inter. Okay, no issue. And then after it is printing whatever available inside this, like we have created for child class object, so it is printing this one. Then after we are calling again with the help of p1, I can say with the help of child class reference. But see, inside this, for this one it will go and check. Okay, so interview method is available inside this or not. Interview method is available or not. Yes, it is available inside this, so it will print here. Okay, it will print this. So before printing, it will go and check also, like inside new child class, interview method is available or not. No, it is not available. If it is not available, this means that whatever like it is not overriding. So it's a normal method, I can say, not overriding, not overloading, right? So in this case, it will print only PC1, means only whatever method available inside the parent class. It will print this only. So if I will try to write like this, let me write it here. Let me copy and paste it here. See, this time output will be changed. I am trying to print here child, interview child. Okay. This time if I will try to print, it will print interview child, because this method is again going to be overriding, overridden, I can say, interview method, and it will print interview child. See, this is how concept of overloading and overriding, I can say. Okay, fine. We will see difference also related to this one. Okay, and it is having some rules also available inside that. So we will see the all those rules inside, I can say, while we are checking about differences. Okay, fine. Thank you so much.